Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in. In this video, I'm going to talk about Herbal Essence. It's one of my favorite brand when it comes to hair care. So if you're interested, please keep on watching and make sure you're subscribed to this channel. Give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which is your favorite brand when it comes to hair care, because I'm really interested in that. And this video has been requested by so many people out there. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about it, if you liked it or not. Please let me know your comments in the comment section below. So firstly, let me talk about Herbal Essence. Now this is a US based drugstore hair care brand. Now this has been a huge hit everywhere, like all around the world, because they have really amazing range of shampoos, dry shampoos, conditioners, many products related to hair care, and they also have hair serum, and these products have been a huge hit. And this is not a new brand, it's like it's been there from a very long time in US, and so many people love Herbal Essence, and there are good reasons. So let me start with that, but firstly let me show you what exactly I'm going to talk about today. So today my video is focused upon the Herbal Essence Bio Renew range, and specifically I'm going to talk about the cucumber and green tea shampoo and conditioner. So these are the two products I'm going to focus on, because out of the bunch of products I have tried from Herbal Essence, these two stand out the most. So this is how the shampoo looks like. The conditioner is also in the similar bottle. It's a light bottle, it's a darker bottle. Both are like plastic, and the quantity you get is 400 ml, both conditioner and shampoo each. Now this costed me 600 rupees, and I think conditioner was also around the same amount, but there was a sale going on Nykaa. That is from where I usually buy Herbal Essence product, because it is a very trusted site when it comes to international brands. I really trust Nykaa on those grounds, and that's why I picked up this range within 1000 rupees, because this was around 420 rupees and this was around 480, and then I got it within the 1000 rupees range. So this is a win-win situation for me, because I'm getting such a huge amount of like products within 1000 rupees, and I really love them. So for me that was a really good sale option, so I choose those. Now let me talk about how the product is actually. Now it definitely have a smell, so if you have any issue with scents, then you might want to skip the entire Herbal Essence range. But if you don't have any problem with the scents of shampoo, and if you enjoy really good pleasant aromas, then you will love it, because one of the important stuff that stands out in Herbal Essence is their aroma. The scent of these shampoos and conditioners are like so good. Other shampoos are not even close. They are so good. They smell really amazing. This is not the first shampoo that I am trying from Herbal Essence. I have tried around 10 shampoos, and honestly, yes, I have tried 10 different shampoos from Herbal Essence, and all the shampoos have such a beautiful scent to them, and your smell, like it will be on your hair for like some time, and it smells so good that you feel like washing your hair all the time. That is how good their aroma is. Now before this I bought the Arabic coffee range of the BioRenew, and I'll insert the pic of that right here. That was really good. That was not suitable for my hair, but the aroma was, the scent of that shampoo was so good. Now one of the important points which I really like about Herbal Essence is that they create shampoos and conditioner based upon your hair type. So if you talk about my hair type, my hairs are really normal, and they get oily after 2 to 3 days at the scalp, and then that's where I wash it after 2-3 days. I don't wash my hair regularly, even you should not do. Even if you have an oily scalp, you should find something that balances the scalp, and that's where I think the work has been done by Herbal Essence. They have curated the entire range based upon your hair care. Now one thing I've seen, that people who have oily hair and those who get oily scalp, immediately within a day or so they wash their hair multiple times, and that's where the balance of the hair scalp is like dead, because you're washing your hair so many times, the natural moisture has been removed. So your hair are actually lifeless, and you're washing it again, removing more moisture. So you should use a shampoo which is exactly made for your hair, nothing else. Like nothing else you want, no other range you want. So if you go to the Herbal Essence site, so you can understand, I went to their site, I've learned so much about Herbal Essence, and I love it so much, because This brand is a drugstore at such an amazing price. They are giving you really good, high quality products. So I went to their site, and on their website you will see that there are so many ranges, and you can go over there, hover over the site, and you can dig more, and you'll find that they have shampoos created specifically for a particular hair type. If you have dried hair, they will have something for you. Color corrected, they will have something for you. If you have like frizzy hair, they will have you. If you have curly hair, they will have something for you. So they have really amazing products, and many of the times, like 8 out of 10 times, I have heard people loved Herbal Essence. So even in my experience, I've been using it for like what, 4 to 5 years. I've always loved Herbal Essence. I think this shampoo cannot be replaced easily from my vanity. I love it so much. And as you know already, if you have seen my pics on Instagram, if you have not seen, follow me right there. So on Instagram, you would have seen I have long hair, and people usually ask me what do you do. I don't do much with my hair. I keep it simple. I use good products and I keep it limited. I don't use gazillion products for hair care. So Herbal Essence is a very important part of my hair routine, and that's it. Like, I keep my shampoos, my products dedicated to what I need, what my hairs need, that's it. So that's what I've done, and this shampoo has never let me down. Now I have not talked about the smell, so let me tell you about that, of specifically cucumber and green tea. It smells like green tea because it is green tea shampoo with cucumber. That's it, like flat, and a little bit of flowery aroma too, which is really mild but very pleasing. So it's really pleasant aroma, and I really love Herbal Essence in that case. Now there are few things written on the packaging. Let me talk about that. 0% paraben, 0% colorant, 0% silicons, and 0% gluten. Now if we talk about silicon is so much available in the drugstore shampoos, because silicon actually give you an illusion, wow, you have washed your hair and they look so shiny and all that. It's a plasticky, temporarily shine that shampoo is providing you. It's not good. When you feel your hairs are like getting, what do you say, a little bit separated and they feel like washed, that's silicon. That's nothing else but silicon. So that's not at all good for your hair. It's like putting plastic on your hair. That's how it feels. Gluten, I was really shocked when I saw gluten on this packaging for the first time. I was like, gluten? People are getting gluten-free diet, but how gluten is damaging your hair? But it actually does. Gluten basically gives your hair loss, which nobody on this planet would want. So it's really good that Herbal Essence have kept these two, and paraben, of course, any day. Paraben free product is what we want, even in makeup or hair care or any other thing. So that's all it has. So let me read out a little bit about the shampoo written at the back. So lightweight shampoo, cucumber and green tea is, this range is an essential antioxidant. It helps purify and protect against what your hair get used over time. The results are soft, free flowing hair. The shampoo is free from silicone, pH balanced, and safe for color treated hair. That is again good. So it says that it's an antioxidant sort of treatment for your hair, which is really good. And directions and all those things, price, everything mentioned, which we have talked about. Now let me talk about my experience with this shampoo. Now when I washed my hair with this, in the first bottle itself, I don't take decisions easily. So when I used this, I knew that Herbal Essence is good. But in the longer run, my hair was shiny. It's not like really mirror shine or like dead shine or out of the planet, but it was a really soft, subtle shine. So I really like that. My hair was like really lightweight, and that I enjoy a lot because I have really long hair, and when you have long hair and they are heavy, you know you don't want any other heavy feeling on your hair. Most of the shampoos that I've tried from drugstore, they used to give me a feeling like I have something really heavy sitting on my head. But with this shampoo, I did not felt any sort of heaviness. Instead, my hair was like really lightweight, easy to carry sort of thing. And most of the time you have seen, I don't have burn on this channel on my hair because my hairs are really heavy, I can't do that. But now I think I have that feeling like my hair are not that heavy now, especially after washing. That feeling which I get with many of the drugstore shampoos, that something is sitting on my head, that is really weird. This shampoo keeps my head really lightweight. I really love it so much. and then it does not give you any sort of oiliness easily. As I said, I get greasy scalp after 2-3 days, but this shampoo gives it really good 2-3 days. So without washing, I can go for around 2 to 3 days, and my hair after that does not even feel extra greasy. With other shampoos I have seen, within a day or two my hair would be like very greasy and oily. I have to wash my hair again the next day or the second day. But with this I can keep it for a good 3 days. And that's what I'm saying, that that's the difference when you understand what kind of shampoo is good for you. So cucumber and green tea is really good if your hairs can stay for a good 2 to 3 days and they don't get that oily. It's normally balanced scalp. So that's where you can use the shampoo. It smells amazing. It felt really good. One more point that I forgot to mention, when I washed my hair with this shampoo, my hair does not get tangled at all. They were all clean, neat, light and detangled on its own, which is really amazing. Some shampoos give you such an irritating feeling when you wash them and you feel that your hairs are like all tangled, and who wants that after washing their hair? But this keeps your hair actually manageable, so that I really appreciate. I don't know what they do with the shampoo, but this range is amazing. Then when I picked up the conditioner, I was like, okay, conditioners usually don't do anything for your hair. So I thought it won't do anything, it won't add up, it will be just another product just coming in like together as a pair, but no, it actually does. When I've used the conditioner, I thought, okay, let me try it because I've bought it already for the first time, and this is the third time I'm getting this pair. So when I got it for the first time, I was like, okay, let me try. When I tried it, my hairs, like I kept it for like a minute or so and then I washed it away with water. It makes your hair really soft, and that's like, okay, conditioners usually do that. No, most of the drugstore conditioners that I have tried, those brand does not do it. They don't do nothing to your hair. They just sit over there and you wash them away. Those conditioners do nothing, but this conditioner was really amazing, and I have tried like 3 packs of these to give you this output, guys. It's not that I've tried it for 2 days and I'm coming to you telling how good these products are and you should try it. No, it's the third time I have tried these pairs, this pair, and then I came in front of you telling how amazing these products are. So I really love the conditioner, and just to tell you, the BioRenew range entirely is like approved by the Kew Gardens. Most of the ingredients these BioRenew products are getting are from the garden, Kew Garden, which is popularly known for their really high quality ingredients. So from there they are approved, they are taking their ingredients from there, so you have to trust this. And I was like, okay, BioRenew, like what they will do, but actually they are sort of antioxidant for your hair. They keep your hair healthy, shiny, and a lot other good things. Like I'm really down with these products. So I really loved the pair of the conditioner and shampoo, and this was the first time something a conditioner and shampoo actually helped me out. So that is what I felt after using these products. But is there any disadvantage to these products, or there are any cons? Yes, they have. Sadly, they have. They are drugstore price products which are so good, but let me highlight this to you, and I have to do it because I just cannot say good things all the time. If some product has something which actually turns me down, I will tell you. I'll just tell it upfront to you. And it has SLS and SLES. You know, SLS, SLES means the sulfates. They basically create leather while you wash your hair, and they create that illusion, and sulfate in the longer run, they actually deprive your hair of the natural moisture. This product, this entire range of herbal essence have that thing, and that's the only part where I wish that herbal essence could remove these bad ingredients. These are the two ingredients which are there, which are not good, and every drugstore shampoo have it, but I just wish herbal essence is much better than a usual drugstore shampoo. Okay, that's my experience. So when my last shampoo got over, I tried a drugstore shampoo, and immediately I could see the difference between herbal essence and the other shampoo, and they were again priced at 250 rupees, and they were not even half the size of this product. So that was a waste of money, and then I suddenly got the experience with herbal essence is much more better, and high quality comparing to other brands. But SLS and SLAs is something I wish Herbal Essence could remove in the upcoming range. They just keep on improving, and they have so many range and they keep on getting better and better with time. They keep on bringing new innovative products, and that's what I even appreciate more about Herbal Essence, that they are not just the usual drugstore brand. They keep their prices at bay. They keep their innovative side on. They always keep on bringing new products, new varieties, and there are so many you will be sort of lost over there. So that's all my quick and short review for you guys on Herbal Essence range. I really love this one. Like honestly, if I want to suggest one shampoo on my channel, I will suggest this one. That's it, nothing else. So that's all for today guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I really genuinely love this brand a lot. So I thought I'll just talk about it and give you an feedback, a shout out to Herbal Essence because I love it so much. So that's all. You guys take care. I'll see you very soon. Subscribe to this channel, give this video a like, and I'll see you soon. You guys take care. Bye bye.